stop. Before you take that first sip of your morning coffee, watch this, because what I'm about to share with you could completely change what aging looks like for your skin, your joints, and your energy levels starting tomorrow morning. I'm Dr. Romalia, and in my years of working with patients over 50, the number one complaint I hear is not blood pressure, not cholesterol, it's this. Doctor, why does my face look so tired? Why is my skin sagging? Why do I have these dark spots that won't go away? And every single time the answer comes back to one word: collagen. But here's what nobody is telling you. You don't need expensive creams. You don't need painful procedures. What you need is already sitting in your kitchen, and all you have to do is add it to the coffee you're already drinking every single morning. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will have a complete morning protocol backed by real science that can help you rebuild collagen from the inside out, fade those stubborn age spots, and start lifting saggy skin naturally. Before we get into the ingredients, let me share the science, because I am a doctor and I do not give health advice without research to back it up. A landmark study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology in 2019 found that collagen peptide supplementation over just 8 weeks led to a statistically significant improvement in skin elasticity, skin hydration, and a measurable reduction in wrinkle depth in women over 50. A 2021 review in the Nutrients Journal confirmed that certain plant-based antioxidants, specifically those found in natural spices and roots, can suppress the activity of an enzyme called matrix metalloproteinase, which is the enzyme responsible for breaking down your collagen as you age. And a clinical trial from Penn State University showed that the combination of vitamin C and specific polyphenols enhanced the body's own collagen synthesis by up to 40% compared to control groups. Why am I telling you this? Because every single ingredient I'm about to share with you today is tied to peer-reviewed, published research. This is not influencer advice. This is medicine. Here's what happens inside your body after the age of 50, and most doctors don't take the time to explain this properly. At age 25, your body is producing collagen at its peak. Your skin is plump, elastic, and glowing. By age 30, collagen production starts declining by approximately 1% per year. That doesn't sound like much until you do the math. By age 50, you have lost roughly 25 to 30% of your total collagen. By 60, that number can climb to 50% or more, especially in women after menopause, because estrogen directly supports collagen production in the skin. What does that mean visually? It means sagging along the jawline. It means hollowing under the eyes. It means skin that used to snap back now stays creased. It means the thin, crepey texture on arms and neck. And it means those flat, brownish patches, age spots, that appear when years of UV damage accumulate because your skin no longer has the collagen infrastructure to repair itself properly. Now, here's where it gets frustrating. The billion-dollar beauty industry wants you to believe that you can fix this by putting collagen on your face. Creams, serums, masks. I have to be honest with you. Most topical collagen molecules are too large to penetrate the skin barrier. They sit on top. They moisturize temporarily, but they do not rebuild your collagen. What rebuilds collagen is stimulating your fibroblast cells. Those are the cells inside your dermis that are the actual factories of collagen production. And you stimulate fibroblasts from the inside through what you consume, through what you absorb at a cellular level. And the most powerful delivery system, something 150 million Americans use every single morning: coffee. Now, before you think this is just about mixing something into a drink, I want you to understand why coffee is the perfect vehicle for this protocol. Coffee is not just caffeine. Black coffee is one of the richest dietary sources of antioxidants in the American diet. A 2020 analysis in Antioxidants Journal found that coffee contains chlorogenic acids, powerful polyphenols that reduce oxidative stress, which is one of the primary accelerators of collagen breakdown. Studies have also shown that moderate coffee consumption, 2 to 3 cups per day, is associated with reduced levels of chronic inflammation, which is directly linked to faster skin aging. So your morning coffee is already doing something positive for your body. What we are going to do today is turn it into a targeted, anti-aging, collagen rebuilding protocol. These are the 5 things I want you to add to your coffee after 50. And I want you to write these down. Number 1, collagen peptides. This is the foundation of everything. And yes, consuming collagen peptides orally is very different from putting collagen on your skin. When you consume hydrolyzed collagen peptides, meaning collagen that has been broken down into small amino acid chains, those peptides are absorbed through your gut lining into your bloodstream. They travel to your dermis and they signal your fibroblast cells to increase collagen production. They don't just replace lost collagen, they trigger your body to make more of its own. The research here is remarkable. A double-blind, placebo-controlled trial published in Skin Pharmacology and Physiology followed women between the ages of 45 and 65. Those who consumed 2.5 to 5 grams of collagen peptides daily showed a 20% reduction in wrinkle depth after just 8 weeks. Skin elasticity improved by over 15%. And crucially, those results continued improving even after the study period ended because the fibroblast activation continued. How do you use it? 1 scoop, typically 10 grams, of a high-quality, unflavored, grass-fed hydrolyzed collagen peptide powder. It dissolves completely in hot coffee. No taste, no texture, just collagen. Look for products that specify type 1 and type 3 collagen. Those are the types most abundant in skin, hair, and nails. Number 2, turmeric with black pepper. I cannot overstate how powerful this combination is, and yet most people are using turmeric completely wrong. Curcumin is the active compound in turmeric. It is one of the most extensively studied natural anti-inflammatory compounds in the world. Over 12,000 peer-reviewed studies have been published on curcumin's health effects. When it comes to skin aging, curcumin does 3 critical things. First, it directly inhibits the inflammatory pathways, specifically NF-kappa B, that accelerate collagen degradation. Second, studies published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology show that curcumin promotes the proliferation of fibroblasts, meaning it helps you grow more collagen-producing cells. Third, and this is the one most people don't know, curcumin has been shown to reduce melanin overproduction in hyperpigmented skin cells, which means it actively helps fade age spots from the inside. Here is the critical catch. Curcumin has notoriously poor bioavailability. Your digestive system breaks it down before it can be absorbed. However, and this is the science that changes everything, piperine, the active compound in black pepper, increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. That number is from a study published in Planta Medica. 2,000%. So you must always combine turmeric with black pepper. A 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and just a pinch, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper stirred into your coffee. Combined with the fat in your creamer or a splash of coconut oil, absorption increases even further because curcumin is also fat soluble. Number 3, vitamin C powder. Vitamin C is not optional when it comes to collagen. It is biologically mandatory. Here is the science. Collagen synthesis requires a process called hydroxylation, where proline and lysine amino acids are converted into the stable triple helix structure of collagen. This process cannot happen without vitamin C as a cofactor. Without adequate vitamin C, your body literally cannot build collagen regardless of how many peptides you consume. This is why scurvy, severe vitamin C deficiency, causes skin breakdown, wound failure to heal, and tissue deterioration. That's what a complete absence of collagen synthesis looks like. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher dietary vitamin C intake was associated with a lower likelihood of wrinkled appearance and dry skin in women aged 40 to 74. Another study showed that vitamin C supplementation significantly increased collagen production in human fibroblast cell cultures. For your coffee protocol, use a buffered vitamin C powder, sodium ascorbate or calcium ascorbate, rather than plain ascorbic acid, which can be hard on the stomach in hot beverages. A quarter to a half teaspoon in your coffee gives you approximately 500 to 1,000 milligrams. Stir it in after brewing, not during, to preserve its potency. This single addition is one of the highest return investments you can make in your skin after 50. Number 4, cinnamon. This one surprises people, but the research is there and it's compelling. Ceylon cinnamon, not the common cassia cinnamon you find on grocery store shelves, but true Ceylon cinnamon contains compounds including cinnamaldehyde and procyanidins that have demonstrated remarkable effects on skin health. A study published in Phytotherapy Research found that cinnamaldehyde stimulates collagen synthesis in human skin fibroblasts. Another study showed it improves microcirculation, meaning better blood flow to the skin surface, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. For age spots specifically, cinnamon's antioxidant compounds help neutralize the reactive oxygen species, the free radicals that trigger abnormal melanin production in the first place. You're not just treating age spots, you're preventing new ones. And there's an added bonus that matters enormously for people over 50. Ceylon cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar. Why does that matter for your skin? Because high blood sugar triggers a process called glycation, where sugar molecules attach to collagen fibers and make them stiff, brittle, and dysfunctional. Glycation is one of the most underappreciated drivers of skin aging. Cinnamon helps block it. Add a quarter teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon to your coffee. It adds a natural sweetness that may even let you cut back on sugar, which itself is another anti-aging benefit. Number 5, collagen-boosting MCT oil or coconut oil. The final addition is a healthy fat, and here is why this matters more than you might think. Many of the compounds we've discussed, curcumin, vitamin D, vitamin K2, fat-soluble antioxidants, are only absorbed properly in the presence of dietary fat. Adding 1 teaspoon of MCT oil or unrefined coconut oil to your coffee addresses this absorption issue while also delivering its own anti-aging benefits. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which has demonstrated antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. MCT oil, medium-chain triglycerides, have been shown in research from the Journal of Nutritional Science and Vitaminology to support mitochondrial function. And why does that matter? Because your fibroblast cells, your collagen-producing factories, require healthy mitochondria to function. Energy production at the cellular level is directly tied to how well your skin repairs and regenerates. There's also the cortisol connection. Healthy fats help regulate cortisol, your stress hormone. Chronically elevated cortisol, which is extremely common in adults over 50, directly suppresses collagen production and accelerates skin thinning. By supporting adrenal health through adequate fat consumption, you are protecting your collagen infrastructure. 1 teaspoon. Blend it into your coffee with a small frother for 30 seconds to create a smooth, latte-like texture. Let me give you this in one clear, repeatable protocol you can start tomorrow. Brew your coffee as normal. While it's hot, add 1 scoop 10 grams of hydrolyzed collagen peptides, type 1 and 3, grass-fed. Stir until dissolved. 1/4 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. Stir in. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric plus a small pinch of black pepper. Stir in. 1/4 teaspoon of buffered vitamin C powder. Stir in after the coffee is slightly off boiling to protect the vitamin C. 1 teaspoon of MCT oil or coconut oil. Froth for 30 seconds. That is your complete morning coffee. Total time to prepare, under 3 minutes. Cost per serving, approximately $1.50 to $2 depending on your sources. Drink this on most mornings. Maintain this consistently. Give it 8 to 12 weeks. The research supports that timeline as when visible changes in skin elasticity, hydration, and pigmentation become measurable and noticeable. Before I close close, I want to be very clear with you as your doctor sharing this health advice. This protocol is not a replacement for your medical care. If you are on blood thinners, particularly warfarin, please speak with your physician before adding turmeric in large amounts, as curcumin can have mild anticoagulant effects. If you have a sensitivity to caffeine or have been advised to limit coffee for cardiovascular reasons, consult your doctor about the coffee base. The ingredients themselves can be added to decaf or even warm water. Cinnamon in large amounts can interact with diabetes medications, so if you are managing blood sugar medically, use the 1/4 teaspoon amount I recommended and monitor accordingly. The vitamin C dosage I mentioned is well within the safe daily range. The tolerable upper limit for adults is 2,000 milligrams per day. We are using 500 to 1,000 milligrams, entirely safe for most adults. Individual results vary. Genetics, sun exposure history, hydration, sleep quality, and overall nutrition all influence your skin's response. This protocol amplifies what your body can do. It is not magic. It is biochemistry working in your favor. Now I want to hear from you, and I mean that genuinely. In the comments right now, type the word coffee if you are going to try this protocol. I read every single comment. This community is the reason I make these videos, and when you comment, it helps this information reach more people who need it. If you are already doing any of these, if you already add collagen or turmeric to your coffee, tell me about your experience. What did you notice? How long did it take? Your real-world results help every other person watching this video make informed decisions. Now, here's what I need you to do for someone you love. Share this video with a friend or family member over 50 who is dealing with skin changes, low energy, or joint issues. This information is free. It could change how they age. One share takes 10 seconds. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I am Dr. Romalia, and every week I bring you science-based, honest health advice for adults who want to age with strength, clarity, and vitality. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video, because next week I am covering the 5 foods that are silently destroying your collagen every single day. And at least 3 of them are probably in your kitchen right now. Before you go, let me leave you with this. You are not powerless against aging. The decline in collagen that happens after 50 is real, it is measurable, and it is documented by science. But so is the research showing that targeted nutritional support can slow that decline, partially reverse its visible effects, and restore function to your skin cells. The body is not broken after 50. It is asking for different support than it needed at 30. And once you understand what it needs, once you give it the right building blocks, the right antioxidants, the right signals, it responds. I have seen it with my patients. The research confirms it. Start tomorrow morning. 1 cup of coffee, 5 additions. 8 to 12 weeks of consistency. Your skin has a memory. You are about to give it a reason to remember what it's capable of. I'm Dr. Romalia. Take care of yourself, because nobody else can do it for you. I'll see you in the next video.